afford stuff, then this video is certainly for you. I'm going to show you a little bit of things that I do on the side to be able to afford a lot of cool things in my life. The first thing that I want you to understand is cash flow. What is cash flow? So cash flow is basically money in, money out. My personal philosophy is I don't spend money unless I have money coming back in. Now you're going to ask, how am I going to be able to afford to have money coming back in? Well, we're going to start with decluttering. Everyone hates clutter. I don't know anyone that loves to have clutter around them. So I'm going to teach you how to declutter and make money. So we're going to start with items around the house that takes up the most space and is the least useful. Those are clothing items. So children outgrow clothes like no one's business. We all know it. We buy clothes that go out of fashion, come back in fashion, are too small, and they stay hanging up in the closet for too long. Good news, you can sell those. So let's start with the kids' clothing. You can sell kids' clothing at Once Upon a Child. Make sure that they're clean, in style, and in season. Do not go to Once Upon a Child with winter items. You want to take short pants, sunglasses, things that kids can wear in the summer. Make sure they're clean and free of smoke. Here's the caveat. Once Upon a Child will reject some of your stuff if they feel that they are not up to par. They will pay you $1.25 per item. Now, some Once Upon a Childs may pay you less, may pay you more, but don't expect to have a ton of money when you leave Once Upon a Child. They are going to resell those items, so they're going to be buying those from you at a moderately low price. But again, that's money in your pocket. That's a new purse. That's a tank of gas. That is a trip to the food store. So don't weigh that out. For teen clothes, you can sell teen clothes at Plato's Closet. For adults, you can sell those clothes at Clothes Mentor. And there are a lot of cool apps out there as well. We have apps such as OfferUp, Poshmark, Declutter with an R and without an E. All of those are really cool apps that you can go on to, and actually people will purchase those items for you. My least favorite would be Facebook Marketplace or anywhere where I have to negotiate, because then you're trading off your time. You're like, oh, can I have this for $5? No, can I have it for $10? And then you risk the chance of those persons not showing up. If you can actually go into the store, hand it to the clerk, and they give you your money back, then all of a sudden you have time back and you have money. But if you're trying to negotiate on those sites such as OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace, then you are playing the waiting game and you may not get the cash in hand as fast as you would like to. So just bear that in mind when you are thinking about selling stuff. Another thing that we've recently got into would be cars. So you can buy cars at auctions, specifically the police auction or the IAA auction, pictured here. Those are places that you can go to buy cars relatively cheap and you can resell them. Most states will allow you to buy 6 cars under your regular license without needing to have a car dealership license. So once you can get on, you can basically find cars, with clean titles or salvage titles. You can find cars that have damage or no damage, and if you are good and know what you're doing, you can sell those cars over again. The next tip that I want to show you is that you need to make sure that you are getting all of the rewards on your credit card. So in a minute, I will show you a video just to make sure that you have the reward. So for example, I have Chase. Everyone that has Freedom Chase, you get 1% cash back on all purchases. But each quarter, they have new rewards which you have to sign up for by a specific period of time, and you get 5% off. And each quarter, it's for different stores, different type of stores. It may be for gas stations, it may be for malls, hotels, restaurants, foods, but you have to know where to go. So this video here in a minute will show you exactly where to go for that.
Perfect. It is now time to make sure that your Chase points are activated. So I'll walk you through that. So basically, you will see here on the screen all of the grocery stores. So these are all of the places that you can go to and actually redeem points. So you want to make sure you familiarize yourself with this list. It's in alphabetical order, and it will give you all of the places that you can actually spend money and earn points. So these are the additional points. Remember, you still get 1% on each dollar. But if you shop at these stores, you get the additional points as well. So you really want to make sure that if you shop at these stores that you activate that on your Chase Freedom card. That is going to be really, really, really important for you to go ahead and earn points. So famous places that you go, Starbucks, a Big Lots, if you go back to the screen, it'll show you exactly what you need to do. So I hope that clarifies it. At the bottom there, you can hit activate, and then it will go ahead and have you activate all of your points. See, there it goes, activate, and then congratulations, your 5% is activated. So just make sure that you do not leave that money on the table.
So I hope now you are able to be confident in finding extra money to buy those cool things for yourself and your family without going in debt, owing friends, family, or banks. If you like this video, you will probably like any of these other videos that I have here on motivation. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to be bold, to be great, and be beautiful.